Acid, bases and salts. Try to understand about all these things. Some materials like lemon, vinegar and tamarind have a sour taste. These materials taste sour due to the presence of chemicals called acids. Other materials like baking soda and soap have a bitter taste. It is due to the presence of chemicals called bases. It means taste of acid is sour. Taste of bases is bitter. Okay. Here there is given caution. It means anything you should taste and touch, be careful. If you are not knowing, you should not touch. This caution you should maintain in laboratory also. It is dangerous to taste any unknown substance either at home or in school. The term acid has been derived from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. All sour tasting materials contain acid. Acids are classified into two categories: mineral acids. Acids which are prepared from the minerals present in the earth are called mineral acid. Formula of hydrochloric acid HCl. Like this. Sulfuric acid is often known as the king of chemicals. It is used in the manufacture of a wide variety of materials. Organic acids. Acids which are naturally occurring and are found in plants and animals are called organic acids. Many fruits and vegetables contain organic acid. Acetic acid, formula of acetic acid CH3COOH. Okay. Formic acid SCOH. Stings of bees, red ants, wasp and stinging nettle contain formic acid. Dilute acids. Their concentration can be decreased by adding water to them. Acids having a low concentration are called diluted. Mixing of water. Do you know gases like carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, etc. are released in the air by factories, powerhouses and automobile exhaust. These gases mix with rainwater and form acid. Rainwater thus become acidic. When this acid rain falls on buildings made of marble, the acid reacts with marble. Acid rain is the main cause of failing of Taj Mahal. Buildings and monuments made of marble like Taj Mahal thus get affected by the action of acid rain. You can understand this thing. Bases and alkalis. Bases are substances which react with acid to form water and salt. Bases are bitter in taste and have a soapy feel. Okay, you know this thing. Some bases are soluble in water. Such bases are called alkalis. Formula of sodium hydroxide NOH, formula of potassium hydroxide KOH, formula of ammonium hydroxide NH4OH, aluminum hydroxide AlOH whole 3. Indicators. What is indicator? Acid and bases can be identified not only through their taste but also with the help of substance called indicator. Indicator is a substance which shows different colors in an acidic and a basic medium. Litmus paper. Litmus can be used as an indicator in the form of a solution. In practice, it is more common to use a paper strip that has been dipped in the litmus solution and allowed to dry. Such a paper strip is called litmus paper. Here you are seeing. Now here there is red color, but here blue. Turmeric can also act as an indicator. It turns red in basic medium and remains yellow in an acidic mix. How do you say this thing? It is experimental. It is already observed. Juice of China rose, hibiscus petals can also be used as a natural indicator. Neutralization and formation of salts. A chemical reaction between an acid and a base is known as neutralization reaction. Try to understand. When acid and base is mixed, it will be neutral. Okay. Now in this figure you are seeing that how this color is changed into this color. HCl present in a small quantity in our stomach help in digestion of food. However, When an excess of this acid gets secreted in the stomach, it causes uneasiness, nausea and pain. To cure this problem, we have to take medicine called antacid. NOH plus HCl, NaCl plus H2O, KOH plus H2SO4, K2SO4 plus H2O, MgOH2, 2HNO3, MgNO3 whole 2 plus 2H2. Try to write and read this equation. Naming of salts: sulfuric acid, sulfates; hydrochloric acid, chlorides; nitric acid, nitrates; sulfurous acid, sulfides; carbonic acid, carbonates; acetic acid, acetates. Properties: salts are formed through reactions between acid and bases. Most of the salts are readily soluble in water. Salts do not conduct electricity in their solid state. However, molten salts and solution of salts in water conduct electricity. Here you may see, observe. Classification of salts. Try to understand. Next thing we want to discuss, that is classification of salts. Neutral salts. Salts formed by the reaction of a strong acid with a strong base are neutral salts. Salts formed by the reaction of a strong acid and a weak base are acidic salts. Okay. Basic salts. Salts formed by the reaction of a weak acid and a strong base are basic salts. Now question answer time. You want to write anything, you should pause video, then you are able to write. I have already sent all question answers, but for anyone who has left, they may write. In case of any problem, you may contact directly. Okay, I have no problem. You may ask any time any question, because this is your online class. Something may be missing. Okay, that's all. Thank you.